Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMe. In today's video, we're checking out Codespy AI, a cutting-edge platform that can accurately detect whether content is AI generated or human written. I'll walk you through the complete dashboard, break down each feature, and demonstrate exactly how to run scans, read the results, and maximize this tool's potential. Whether you're a content creator, developer, educator, or just someone who values content authenticity, this guide will give you everything you need to know. So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive into Codespy AI together. The first step is to click on the login button and sign into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, the dashboard will load, greeting you with a clean and user-friendly interface. On the left-hand side, you'll find the main navigation menu. Dashboard. This is your central hub giving you a quick overview of your account, recent activity, and key stats on AI-generated versus human-written content. Reports. Here, you'll find a record of all your previous scans, so you can easily revisit and review results whenever needed. Projects. This section allows you to create and manage multiple projects, keeping your scans and reports neatly organized. The menu is designed for smooth navigation, so you can switch between sections effortlessly without losing track of your work. Alright, let's get started. I'm now heading over to ChatGPT to copy the Python code I generated earlier. Once it's copied, I'll switch back to my editor and paste it right here so we can begin working with it step by step. As you can see here, there are multiple programming languages available: Java, JavaScript, PHP, Python, and C++. Simply select the language you want from this list and then click on the Analyze option to start the process. As you can see, the report has been generated instantly. It shows an AI probability score of 98 out of 100, indicating that the code is primarily AI generated. If you look closely, you'll notice certain sections of the code highlighted in red. These highlight the exact lines where AI generated content has been detected. This feature makes it simple to identify areas that might require manual review or edits, saving you the hassle of checking the entire script line by line. Now let's try another example. This time, I'll convert the same code into JavaScript, copy it, and paste it into the input field. Next, I'll select JavaScript from the language dropdown and hit Analyze to see the results. Here's the report. The AI detector has scanned the JavaScript code and given it a high AI probability score, quite similar to the previous analysis. Once again, certain lines are highlighted in red, showing the exact sections where the tool detects the highest likelihood of AI-generated content. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial. We explored how this powerful tool can detect AI-generated code in multiple programming languages like Python and JavaScript. With its detailed reports and highlighted sections, you can quickly spot and refine any part of your code that needs attention. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to TechMate for more tech tips and tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. You'll find the link to try this tool in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.